All right, guys, what's going on? Justin from 79 Productions, and today we're going to pull an engine out of the Eclipse. But before we do that, guys, if you would like to help support the channel, you could pick up some 79 Production t-shirts. The link will be in the description. All merchandise that I sell goes directly into building these cars, all the funds from that, so that helps out so much. I got t-shirts and vinyl decals, so yeah, you want to help support the channel, just go pick up some merchandise, and that always helps. But today, guys, we're going to be getting into pulling this engine. It's a little bit, I pulled a bunch of Honda engines out before, and this seems like there's a lot more to it. You know, there's a lot more wiring and stuff. I don't think that it's necessarily a lot more. It's just, this is something I'm unfamiliar with, so I'm going to have to take it little by little, take everything apart a little at a time and label everything, and just so I know where it goes back. But I'm going to show you guys. Here we go, guys. So we got all this stuff in here. They've already taken all of this stuff off. I believe this is the injector harness, and I'm going to label everything that I take off and mark down the bolts where everything goes, and hopefully we'll be all right. But I'm going to start this, and hopefully I can get this done today. Hold on. Put it over here. See that green rag? Put it on the green rag. All right, guys, we are almost ready to take this engine out. If you notice, I labeled everything where it comes off. That way I know where these go back together. And I took the tranny mounts off. This front mount is unbolted from the bottom. I just got to take that back one off, and this thing is ready to come off. All the power steering, the alternator, and the AC compressor is off, so I should have to just take that back bolt off, that back mount off, and this thing's ready to come out. All right, guys, we got the engine out of the Eclipse, and yeah, this was it was a little more difficult than I thought, but it's out. It's finally out. Tomorrow I am going to take this apart and take the block to the machine shop and see how it looks. So we're gonna get moving with this thing. The turbo, I'm gonna check it out, inspect it, make sure that looks decent. But in the meantime, we're just gonna separate the block and take the separate the block from the transmission and take it to the machine shop. All right, guys, there we go. We took the engine out of the Eclipse, and here it goes. I already separated the transmission. Now we're gonna try to get ready to see if this thing, we're gonna take it to the machine shop and see if it's any good. So the cylinders look pretty decent, but you can see where the valves kind of crashed into the pistons. So, but this is what you get, guys, when you buy a $300 car. It is a major project, and we got a lot to do. So what I did was, I've never worked on one of these before, so to me it was a little complicated. It was a little hard to take all of this stuff apart. So I labeled everything with blue tape and a marker, and then I put all of the bolts in these and labeled everything. So I got another one over there, one here, one there. A lot of stuff came off of this, but we're gonna just clean this up a little bit. But in the meantime, we're just trying to get this thing. Next video, guys, I'm gonna start taking this thing apart and get it ready for the machine shop. So yeah, but that's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap the video up here, and this is the kind of project you can, this is something you can expect when you have a $300 car. There's a lot of stuff that you have to do in order to save money. Now, one of these cars is probably about $4 to $5 grand in good running shape, and we picked the car up for $300. Hopefully I could get the engine built between the machine work and everything for about $1,000 to $1,200, and we'll have a reliable new engine. So we're way ahead of what it would cost if I was to buy one of these running and driving. So right now we only got $300 into it, and we're going to see. We're going to try to get this engine rebuilt, take it to the machine shop, and once I get it back from the machine shop, I'll start ordering parts. So, but that's it, guys. I'm going to wrap the video up here. If you want to support the channel, pick up some merchandise. The link will be in the description. That always helps out. So everything from the merchandise sales goes directly into building these projects. So that helps out a lot. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at 79 Productions. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you guys.